both second lines coming in for each team. Now, I would say that the high school team's second line is a little bit stronger than the middle school team. Any thoughts, Chill?
I would agree completely. They definitely have depth. The talent veers off a little bit more for the middle schoolers.
Number 25, Mr. Schlaven, though,
Marley
a
goes
very good player. His son, also on the basketball team with myself.
Here's the hockey coach, Mr. Welch. Oh, he's got some skills on the court, looks like, too. Oh, just long. There we go, Mr. Schlotman, my old football coach. Back when I was in middle school, I ran a little bit of the middle linebacker position.
Sam was a very good football player for Hastings Middle School.
Oh, that's a great look. Another one down.
Mr.Mollo, now that's his first shot of the night, and he sank that thing.
Some would call that 100% from the field, Joe.
I would also call it 100% from the field.
Great minds think alike.
Now we've got this high school section just massive tonight.
And I can see him right there. Jack Tuesnow with the number 21 Hastings basketball jersey on. He's just giving it to Isaac Rabin. Getting in his head.